Hey guys, Robert here from Shermac. Today I just wanted to give you a virtual demonstration of our semi-water carts. This is a RS3000 30,000 litre semi-water trailer designed for dust suppression and road building on construction mine sites and in shire councils, etc. So all of these trailers are designed as lead trailers, so they're engineered to be able to tow 2 tankers behind them, and they can be fitted with the optional lead trailer kit, which this one's got, which includes a ring feeder, your hydraulic connections and air connections at the rear. So the tank and the chassis is a fully incorporated steel fabricated module. As you can see, it's all one piece. This is for strength and durability. These units are designed to last the life of the truck in harsh Pilbara-like conditions. Constructed from 6mm mild steel, the tanks have baffles, as you can see on those welded sections, breaking the tank into 6 compartments to make them strong, stable and prevent water slosh. The chassis are engineered and strong and designed to prevent corrosion in salty saline water conditions. They're also designed with an oscillating skid plate to save cracking of the tank in undulating conditions. We use high quality and rugged K-hitch axles and leaf spring suspension on these units. They have provision for 2 spare wheels, but come standard with 1 spare wheel mounted underbody. As standard, the spray system includes 3 fan sprays, your left, centre and right, a hydraulic close coupled 3-inch pump. You've got a spare pressure outlet, a suction point that can be used to connect trailers together if you're using a combination. We use a stainless steel manufactured spray head. This gives a clean and neat spray. It's coupled with a cam lock, so it can be easily adjusted to change your spray angle and width. It can also be taken out, cleaned out if any sticks or stones get stuck in there. Very easily for maintenance. Actuated by a double acting pneumatic butterfly valve, controlled by a switch in the truck cab. This gives a sharp and fast reaction, so your sprays are on and off very quickly. As standard, all tankers are fitted with these gravity-fed drop bars. So they're a 6-inch down to a 3-inch drop bar with pneumatic left and right functionality, and they can be coupled with these poly spreader bars to form a dribble bar. That will give you full width coverage, and you can also adjust it to do left and right spraying for windrows, etc. As standard, the trailers are fitted with these push points for stabiliser work on the left and right sides of the chassis rails. The configuration of the plumbing allows for self-filling, so you can suck through the pump and into the tank with a foot valve on a hose going into a dam or turkey's nest. You can also be pressure filled from a pressure source or filled via the fill funnel at the top of the tank, and that can be mounted at the front, the centre or the rear of the tank depending on what works best for you on site. Each tanker has these large hose trays on the left and right sides above the axles, used for storing hoses and so forth. You've also got a 6-inch dump valve here if you're dumping into a turkey's nest or used for water transfer. All our water carts have highly visible sight level tubes on the front and the rear of the tank with a floaty in the pipe to make it more visible for the driver. At the front of the trailer you've got the supply and return hydraulic lines and a case drain line to connect to your prime mover. You've also got a electrical trailer plug, your EBS brake plug and your connection points for your sprays, which are colour coded, and you'll be supplied with a chart to match them to the controls in your truck. You've got the supply and return air fittings for your brakes on the trailer as well. You have a 6-inch blanked flange into the front of the tank. This is used when 2 trailers are hooked together as for a transfer between the 2 trailers. You've obviously got your compliance plate, your serial plate. This can be referenced if you need parts or support for your product in the future. And your certification plate there. Some of the optional extras on the RS3000 water carts include this large mud flap in front of the running gear. This protects obviously all your axles and the front underneath of your tank from stones from the prime mover or the front trailer. You've got an optional work light kit with left and right work lights and work lights at the back top of the unit, left and right. A small storage box for filters and bits and pieces. a high quality manual rewind, real easy hose reel designed to be on the back of water carts so it doesn't seize up. Your lead trailer kit, including the ring feeder, hydraulics and electrics to the rear. And you can also have additional batter sprays on the left and right, so they're a vertical spray that fans straight out the side, so that increases your water function to 5 sprays on the rear. You can also have a low level centre spray, so it comes down sort of where the ring feeder is there and sits about 800 mil off ground level, and that is used for final trim operating. Thanks for watching, guys. That's an overview of the Shermac RS3000 semi water cart. It's a perfect unit for dust suppression, road building, water transfer on any construction, mine or Shire Council job. Thanks for watching, guys.